Hello and welcome to the podcast. Every moment is sacred, where we interweave meditation and healing into everyday life. I am your host, Rain Elizabeth Stickney. Now, let us begin. Welcome. I am so happy you're here. Today is Wednesday, and I get to share a meditation with you. The best way to enjoy this guided meditation is to find a quiet place and sit down or lie down. Or if you're busy in your day and you're doing something, that's okay too. Simply take a deep breath and notice how you are. And when you're ready, listen to the meditation. At the end, there will be a bell. The meditation begins with a bell and ends with a bell. And at the bell that ends the meditation, take another breath and notice how you are. This practice is for you. It's made especially for you. This meditation and the meditations that I share in these episodes are from Stillwater Meditation. It's a group that I taught, that I teach, that evolves over time. And the way the recordings have come about are from me listening to you, to whoever has gathered for that day. And every guided meditation is a response to somebody's request. To listen to more guided meditations, please visit Insight Timer. You can download the app or you can search for Insight Timer on the web, insighttimer.com. Look for my name, Rain Elizabeth Stickney, and there are a bunch of guided meditations to enjoy. The benefit of listening there on Insight Timer is that it goes straight into the bell and meditation. There is no podcasting preamble, although I have spoken with some of my listeners who really enjoy the podcast preamble. So by all means, keep coming back here as often as you would like and know that there is another resource available. insighttimer.com or download the app and search for my name, Rain Elizabeth Stickney. I thank you again for your presence. Enjoy this guided meditation. Hey, I have some exciting news to share. On Thursday, December 7th, 2023, we will be gathering together as meditators again. Stillwater Meditation is meeting for peace. There is so much going on in the world that pulls on my heartstrings, and I know many other people feel deeply about wars that are occurring and conflicts and battles, all sorts of calls for peace. Let's meditate together. Let's meditate for peace. Thursday, December 7th at 12 p.m. Eastern, we'll find us gathering together online. Please go to rainelizabeth.org and click on the button that says meditate. It's at the center of the page. There is a registration link and you will receive all the information you need to attend for free. I will also be making a special announcement about continued gatherings at this event. Please join us in meditation, in prayers for peace, in offering love, kindness, and compassion to all the places within ourselves, as well as all the places in the world. You may also email me meditation@rainelizabeth.org if you have any questions. I will connect you with the registration, and I am so happy that Stillwater Meditation is gathering together again. I look forward to seeing you there. Now, enjoy today's guided meditation. Thank you. Welcome, silence. No matter what is going on inside or outside a person, welcoming silence can bring about the true silence that resides even when there's a storm of some sort, even if there is a barrage of thoughts. True silence remains and holds it all. The depth of this silence is unfathomable. It is beginningless. It is endless. It is. Welcome, silence. Even if there are fluttering and flying leaves of emotions, there can still be a recognition of silence, the silence that is, the silence that allows for all of it. The silence from where noise and sound comes. This is the silence of being. In this silence, there is no opposition. The noise or the sound or the thundering spirit doesn't detract from the silence that is. This is the true silence that holds even the loud rolling thunder. See and notice if you can hear this silence that holds even my words or your thoughts. or your sound of breath. Notice if you can feel into and listen to the silence that is untouched by anything that's going on. This silence is simply being silent. This silence is simply being. This silence is. This silence. This. Thank you so much for listening. It has been a great joy to have your presence here in this podcast. I welcome you to celebrate the joy and wisdom in your life exactly as it is. And I welcome you to feel loved, fully loved, exactly as you are. www.rainelizabeth.org